Hi, sixth grade. This week we're going to be continuing to read Hatchet. So we're looking at chapters 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we're continuing to work on the active reader for page 17. So as you're reading through those chapters, please be looking at that active reader where you're putting what he kind of finds and how he uses that hatchet, what he gains from that each time he uses it. So kind of keep that in mind as you continue with these next few chapters. As we get close to the end of the week, we're going to be working on the questions for chapters 6 through 12. So let's go through those together. How did you react to what happens to Brian in chapters 6 through 12? What went through your mind at the end of chapter 12? So there are two parts to that question. Make sure you're answering both parts. Number one, where does Brian find shelter? Why does he consider the find lucky? Once again, has two parts. What does Brian see among the raspberry bushes? What does he learn from this experience? Two questions there, so two sentences. Number three, what wild visitor helps Brian figure out how to build a fire? How and what does the fire mean to Brian? Three parts there, so make sure you're answering all three parts. Number four, what do you learn about Brian from his dreams and memories that you have not learned from other parts of the story? And then lastly, what do you think Brian means when he tells himself that self-pity doesn't work? So we'll be looking at finishing up this section this week and continuing to read. As you read, don't forget to use your reading strategies to help you make predictions. Try and visualize as you read. Clarify by rereading something if you don't understand. Ask yourself questions. Try to make connections with the characters. Obviously, Brian is our main character here. So try and see if you can make connections with him, and then evaluate what he does. Kind of what is his motive for behaving the way he does. So as you continue to read, I hope you're enjoying the story as we get more and more into his adventure. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good week.